What if you could start a side hustle today that runs on autopilot, powered by AI, and turns into a consistent income stream in 2025? Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: the AI side hustle blueprint for 2025. Artificial intelligence isn't just for big corporations anymore. It's accessible to everyone, and you can leverage it to create a profitable side hustle. Let's explore how you can harness AI to boost your income and stay ahead of the curve. First, let's identify some in-demand AI-powered side hustles. Content creation. Use AI tools to generate articles, social media posts, or marketing copy for businesses. Graphic design. Leverage AI-driven design platforms to create logos, banners, and promotional materials. Virtual assistants. Offer AI-enhanced administrative services, such as email management and scheduling. These avenues allow you to provide valuable services without needing extensive prior experience. To excel in your chosen side hustle, you'll need the right tools. Here's how to find them. Explore AI marketplaces. Platforms like toolq.com offer a curated selection of AI tools across various categories. Assess your needs. Determine which tasks you want to automate or enhance, and select tools that align with those objectives. Test and learn. Many AI tools offer free trials. Experiment with them to find the best fit for your workflow. By utilizing these resources, you can operate efficiently and deliver high-quality results. Once you're equipped with the right tools, it's time to build your brand. Create an online presence, develop a professional website, and establish profiles on relevant social media platforms. Showcase your work. Use portfolios or case studies to demonstrate the value you offer. Engage with communities. Join forums, groups, or networks related to your niche to connect with potential clients and collaborators. Consistent engagement and showcasing your expertise will attract opportunities and help grow your side hustle. Finding the perfect AI tools can be overwhelming, but toolq.com simplifies this process. ToolQ is the ultimate AI tool marketplace, offering comprehensive listings, access a wide range of AI tools across different categories. User reviews and ratings make informed decisions based on feedback from other users. Regular updates. Stay ahead with newly released tools and features. With ToolQ, you have a one-stop platform to discover and utilize the best AI tools tailored to your side hustle needs. Embarking on an AI-powered side hustle in 2025 is both exciting and rewarding. By identifying the right opportunities, equipping yourself with the best tools from toolq.com, and actively promoting your services, you can create a successful venture. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your AI side hustle ideas in the comments below. Let's embrace the future of work together.